Hello and welcome back to my channel. Xenia here, and welcome to the first of many cosplay videos on my channel. This time it is a Ladybug cosplay from Miraculous Ladybug as a ball gown. So this is the final look. The ball gown ended up weighing 5 pounds and is held together by a corset in the back. The dress is slightly too long to me without heels, so that's always fun. And I like how this cosplay turned out, and this is how I get into it from start to finish. I start off with my makeup with my Ciade Watermelon Burst Primer to get my skin ready for all of the makeup. And then I start with my eyeshadow, and I'm using Morphe's 35B palette to create this look. And I use these colors to illusion my eyes to look bigger. And then I simply do a winged eyeliner with the Tarteus Double Take Eyeliner. On my face, I use my knockoff beauty blender, and I am able to use my Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation in shade 1.5 all over my face to create a blank canvas. Then I use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to highlight my face in the shade 12B. And then I use my Face Revolution Pro Translucent Pressed Powder to set my face and get it ready for all my powders. And then I use my Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer in this to carve out my jawline to create a more heart-shaped face that Marionette has. And then I use my Miami palette, which I forgot that I needed to use, to add blush. And then I decided not to use highlighter for this look to give her much more of an innocent look. And then for my lips, I chose to wear a red lip to match the dress, and I went for Morphe's traditional lipstick in Dominate. And then for my lashes, I just go for mascara. I'm really bad at false eyelashes, so I decided just to do a simple mascara look with Ciate's XXL mascara. And then to make sure everything is set and ready, I use my Tarte Double Duty Setting Spray to make sure none of my makeup moves throughout the day. And then for my wig, I found this wig off of Amazon. If I can find a link, I'll throw it in the description. But I am currently putting on my wig cap by slicking down my hair to make sure it's as flat as possible to my head. And then I'm simply going in with my wig cap to make sure everything's flat and laid. And now I'm putting on the wig, which I always go front to back, and I pull it down on the nape of my head. That's the word. And I use that line, and I quickly fix my bangs so I can actually see what I'm doing. And from there, I'm just styling the wig, so I'm leaving 2 front bits to hide my sideburns, and then I'm going in and pigtailing both of my wigs, so it's able to look like the marionette hairstyle. From here, that's all that's left is to throw on a necklace and my actual dress, which is a time and a half to get it, not gonna lie. But I would not have it any other way. So after I get that on, my mask on, which is a really simple silver elegant mask that I got from, I think, either Second Charles or Charming Charlie's before they went out of business for Charming Charlie's. And I'm attaching that to my face, seeing whether or not I would want it on the side of my head or on my eyes, and I decided to do it on my eyes. From here, I'm in my full costume, and this is what the final looks look like. So this is my final look for my Ladybug going to a ball look. I'm really happy with how this look came out, and I want to say thank you for stopping by. Catch you next time. Peace out.